Hi, I'm Sydney from Online Tech Tips, and today we'll show you how to make a compressed zip file. A zipped file contains information that's been compressed so that it takes up less space on your disk. The zipped file can contain multiple files and folders, or it can just be a single item. You'll only have a single zip file at the end of the process either way. There are other reasons to zip a file besides trying to save some space. It's a handy trick to use when you want to send multiple files as a single email attachment. The same goes if you want to host a file on your website. Zipping it all up makes for a simple package that users can open on the other end with very little trouble. So, let's make a zip file. If you're running Windows 10, it could not be easier to zip your files. All you have to do is select all the files you want included in your zip, right-click on them and select Send to Compressed folder. While that may be fast and convenient, it doesn't really give you much control over the zipping process. If you want to have access to more advanced features, I recommend you use a third-party file zipping utility such as 7-Zip, which is at the top of my own personal list. It's an open source program with great Windows integration and a wide compatibility with a variety of compression formats. What's your favorite way to zip your files? Give us your own tech tips down in the comments. If you like this video, why not hit that subscribe button and ring the bell while you're at it. You'll get immediate notifications of the latest tips and tricks for your favorite tech. Check out our website for in-depth guides and explainers, and head over to our Facebook group if you want to join the Online Tech Tips community. See you next time.